Good day, mates. Today we're here driving this lovely car out in this beautiful weather we're getting. Thank goodness for North Dakota giving us this excellent weather. What a nice day out here. We're just driving along here. Oh dear, I think we hit a deer. Look at this sucker. Got some nice rack on him though. It's gonna make some nice jerky, I bet. If you find yourself in an unfortunate situation like we just demonstrated, come on up and see us. We got a body shop, or if you're going out to hunt these elusive critters and you need your car tuned up, get some tires, we can take care of that too, either at a quick lane or in a service department. Or if you're looking for a new ride to go out and get these little buggers, you come see us too. So stop on up and see us at RM Stout or your Jamestown Quick Lane. Give us a call, 701-252-2270 or 701-252-0057 for the Quick Lane, and come on up and see us. Hey, no artificial deer were harmed in making this video.